Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte graphic card driver. So first you have to go on this site www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website so you can download the Gigabyte any devices driver. After that you can see in the right hand side search icon. Just click on it. Radeon RX 7600 gaming 8G, and after that search this graphic card on this website. And then click on the product. After that this is your graphic card, click on it. Then click on support, and then select the operating system Windows 10 and 11. So both operating system installations process same. So this is NVIDIA driver and this is size, this is versions and all there. This is download icon. When you click to download, it will start downloading in the download box. You can see it is start downloading. It will take some time, depend about your internet. After that click on three dot and then click on download. Then it is completed, then click on it. Open this icon to open where it is downloading. After that this one, right click and run as administrator, otherwise show more and run as administrator to click. Then click on yes. After that this is installing, it will take some time and it is completed all driver, then restart your system.